be a linear transformation defined from R4 to R4 and is satisfying the property t cube plus 3 t square equals to 4 times the identity transformation, and asked about another linear transformation S as defined t raised to the power 4 plus 3 t cube minus 4 time identity transformation is S onto 1 1 invertible non invertible. There are four options associated this ideas. So because of this linear transformation t is defined from same dimensional vector space to same dimensional vector space, so t either 1 1 and onto together or not 1 1 and onto together. Similarly, because of S is the composition of linear transformation T, so S is defined from same dimensional vector space to same dimensional vector space. So either T is 1 1 and onto together or not 1 1 and onto together. First, write S in terms of given information. As I can take t as a outside or common, so t cube plus 3 t square minus 4 times identity transformation, and this one can be replaced by 4 times identity minus 4I, and this one can be written as 4 outside t minus identity transformation. As t satisfying t cube plus 3t square equals to 4I, in terms of x I can write x cube plus 3 x square minus 4 equals to 0, and x equals to 1 is the root, and you can check that x equals to 0, not a root. Also, you can find other other factors of this one. T minus lambda I, determinant of this one, equals to 0 because of lambda is the eigenvalue. So t minus identity transformation, determinant of this one, equals to 0. So scaled by 4 is also equals to 0. It means one eigenvalue of S is 0. It means one eigenvalue is 0. Product of all eigenvalues gives a determinant. So S is non invertible. This option is true, and option C discard here. Because of this determinant is not equals to 0, it means rank of S cannot be 4. It means it will be less than 4. So rank plus nullity both will be exist and equals to 4. And I already told, if nullity is not equals to 0, then not 1 1. Not 1 1, it means not onto, because of I already told 1 1 and onto will exist together, otherwise not 1 1 and not onto will exist together. So option A is also false and B also. So correct option is only D.